never seen a motorhome like this? It runs without gas, powers itself from the sun, brews tea when you're stressed. And the walls move, not with buttons, but based on your emotions. No engine noise, no switches, no chaos, just silence, peace, and technology so advanced, it feels alive. But here's the twist. It's not from Tesla, not from Mercedes, it's from Toyota. Stick around because the real shock will reveal that price before the end. And it's not what you think. From the outside, the Prestige hauler doesn't shout for attention. Its smooth, sand-toned matte titanium body curves like a river stone, elegant and purposeful. There are no oversized wheels or flashy chrome, just a design that whispers sophistication and sustainability. Above, the entire roof is a smart solar panel grid, silently collecting energy to power everything inside. Slide open the shoji-style panels and step inside. And suddenly, the world feels miles away. The floor is crafted from warm, handcrafted bamboo, gentle beneath your feet. The walls are a paper-glass hybrid, inspired by Japan's oldest ryokans, diffusing light softly. Lighting here isn't controlled by switches. It adjusts to your mood, shifting colors and warmth automatically. Instead of a couch, the lounge offers a tea sanctuary. Floor cushions surround a retractable table that transforms from dining space to workspace or cinema room with a simple gesture. Technology isn't just embedded, it's alive and intuitive. Underneath, a hydrogen fuel cell powers the whole hauler. There's no engine roar, just whisper-quiet motion with an impressive 700-mile range on a single charge. Those solar panels on the roof keep feeding energy to the batteries and even power the water heating system, making this one of the most self-sustaining motorhomes ever conceived. At the heart of this experience is Kizuna, an AI wellness assistant that's more than a voice. It learns your habits, tracks your stress, monitors your hydration, and even adjusts your environment for your well-being. Feeling tense? Kizuna dims the lights, starts meditation music, and brews you a calming herbal tea. Didn't sleep well? It adjusts your mattress firmness and wakes you gently with programmable sunrises and natural sounds. Step into the bedroom and you enter a capsule of calm. The gravity-balanced bed molds perfectly to your body, offering sleep like floating on air. Noise-canceling walls block out the world, leaving only silence and peace. Windows transition slowly from frosted privacy to clear views, all controlled without a touch. The bathroom is a private spa, complete with a rainfall shower, heated stone floors, and a smart mirror that analyzes your skin and offers real-time skincare advice. Every detail here is intentional, designed for comfort and luxury. Despite the serenity, the Prestige hauler is built for adventure. Modular storage hides under the floor and in expandable side pods for bikes, tools, or even drones. It recycles water, collects rain, and heats everything with solar energy. You can live off-grid for weeks. Now, after seeing all this, the moment you've been waiting for. How much does this rolling sanctuary cost? $850,000. It's more than a Ferrari SF90 and a luxury apartment combined. But when you live here, it's not just a price, it's a new way of life. So, would you call this home? Let us know in the comments. If you're fascinated by the future of luxury and innovation, smash that like button, subscribe for more incredible machine deep dives, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Because this is just the beginning.